What's the meaning of curio? Curio. Curio.
Curio. Curio. Curio refers to an object that is unusual or interesting due to its rarity, historical significance, or aesthetic beauty. These objects are often collected by enthusiasts of various fields, including art, antiques, and natural history. Examples of curios include vintage watches, fossils, and antique furniture. Some people collect curios for their monetary value, while others are drawn to the unique stories that these objects hold. Overall, curios reflect our fascination with the past and the desire to preserve and appreciate important artifacts from different periods of history.